Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My name is Christian B. Sayon from Block 3D, and today we're going to tackle about these three topics that I am assigned. First is what is research problem. Second one is what are the characteristics of research problem, and the last one is all about what are the sources of research problem. So to start my video, we're going to start from what is research problem. So when we say research problem, it's all about situation, issue, question that the researchers want to study, understand, and solve. So for us to understand, I'm going to cite a situation. Like for example, there is one researcher, and that researcher encounters daily problems in his life. So okay, we're going to continue the topic that I have discussed lately. So there is one situation, okay, and that situation is there is one researchers who encounter daily problem in his daily lives. So in that case, that researcher make a research topic or research problem so that he can study, understand, and solve that situation. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, the next topic that I'm going to discuss is all about the characteristic of research problem. First characteristic of research problem is it must be clear and specific. So why it is important? Okay, it must be clear and specific so that the researchers can avoid conflict of the information when they are going to collect data that are related to the study or problem that they have. Okay, next characteristic is all about researchable. So when we say researchable, it must be or it can be studied. The problem or research topic that you are going to provide can be studied or can be researchable. Okay? Next is feasible. So when we say feasible, it talks about the possibilities or the workability. Okay, let's continue. When we say possibility when we say feasible, it talks about the possibility where the researcher can provide solution for that they can solve the problem or research topic or research problem that they have. Okay, next one is ethical to study. So ethical to study means that before you provide or pick a research problem, you must research if that research or specific topic that you pick is reasonable to study, or is it right that you must study that situation or problem. Okay, next. Okay, the next topic that I'm going to discuss is all about the sources of research problem. Okay, the first source is personal experience. Just like the example that I have provided lately. Okay, one of the sources of research problem is personal experience. This because there are many researchers who are basing their titles or research problem in their personal experience. Next is literature review, or when we say literature review, like from books or articles that they have read. So those are some sources of research problem. Next is social issue, and current event. Okay, current event, those are the things that we're facing right now, the event that is present now. So there are many researchers, especially us, group number 5. Our research source is basing the current event in our society, and also we are relating our research problem also in social issues. Next is, or the last one is, recommendation from expert. Let's take our topic. The topic of group 5 is from the recommendation of our instructor in this subject. Okay, that would be all for my discussion. I hope you have learned something from the things that I have discussed here. That would be all. Thank you.